Hello, good morning, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2012 government past question. Question number 32. And the question says the National Assembly in Nigeria is primarily responsible for dash. The National Assembly in Nigeria is primarily responsible for dash. A. Executing laws. B. Interpreting laws. C. Ratifying appointments. D. Making laws. And as we all know, the National Assembly primary function is to make law. Since the primary function of the National Assembly is to make law, then option D is correct, which is making laws for the betterment of the country. So kindly subscribe for more of our videos.